Welcome back to computer science. Yesterday we were still in the section on user-defined functions. I think we talked a little bit about return statement that can only return one value. If no return statement is return statement for a function can only return one value, and then the function essentially that was called, that's what it evaluates to, is the return value. It can only return one value, not two, not more, not zero. If there is no return value or there's no expression after the return value in the function, a statement or a keyword will be returned called no value, I believe. No value? No, I think it's just none. Capital N-O-N-E, I think. Yeah, it can only return one value, though. It can be a one item, but it can be an item with multiple elements. None. Okay. So I'm going to jump back into continue learning, then I'll go from there. All right. Essentially, finished with that module on user-defined functions. We got one more problem, which will probably take 2 minutes or less tomorrow. So essentially done. Parameters and arguments. So a parameter is what's basically defined in the function definition in the parentheses after the function name, and this is what's allowed to be passed as an argument to the function. And this parameter essentially is like an assignment statement. It's like a variable, actually. So it could just be like a container or a variable name. And then when you call the function, you say function name, and then within the parentheses you call or you put an argument, and an argument is then passed to the parameter, and so the parameter and the argument are both assigned to the same object or item. And a function can have one parameter. It can also have no parameters, but it still needs the parentheses, or it can have multiple parameters separated by commas. And then when you call the function, you need multiple arguments separated by commas, an equal number of arguments. And I think that's basically it. There's one other thing. Hierarchical functions. Is that what it is? Hierarchical functions. It's another name for nested functions. These are, it appears, function calls that exist within another function's body or statements. So parameter is like a variable, good, a function input specified in a function definition, good. Function can have multiple parameters separated by commas or no parameters, good. Argument. Okay. Value provided to a function's parameter during a function call. Hierarchical function calls, aka nested function call, is a function call with another function's body within. So that's essentially it for today. Talk to you tomorrow. See you.